Hey everybody, today we're looking at 423 Ripsaw Court in Grovetown, Georgia. This house is listed for $315 and it is in a 4-star neighborhood. Let's do a deep dive. We'll be looking at this house right here. It's 423 Ripsaw Court in Grovetown, Georgia. This house is a roof stock select, so that means it's only on roof stock. You can't find it on Zillow or Redfin for sale. It's listed at $315 and it's been on the market for about a day now. The house is only 10 years old, and that was the last time I had its roof changed, so this roof is 10 years old right now. We can see that it's a 5-bed, 3-bath. The house itself is 3,000 square feet, but the lot size is 15,000 square feet. That includes this front yard and a little bit of backyard. The house is in a 4-star neighborhood with 3.5-star schools, and it is near Augusta. We can go check out what it's close to. So the closest major city is Columbia in South Carolina. The next major city is Atlanta, which is a 3-hour drive away. Columbia is an hour and a half. You can go check out the top of the house. So the house right here, it's in a little neighborhood. It looks to have a bigger front yard than it does a backyard, and it's on a road that connects up here to Columbian Road, and it goes to Highway 20. And then there's a Flint construction place. There's a bunch of like outdoor malls, and here's a big area with outdoor malls with a bunch of shopping centers, big shopping centers, John Deere commercial products. So this is more like not a commercial, but it's a workplace for a bunch of jobs. And there's a tech college nearby. We can go check out my map. So this is the house right here. As we can see before, there's a Walmart nearby. And the closest police station and fire station are right here and there. There's an elementary school. We saw the college. No, this is the middle school. The college is somewhere over here. No, it does not show the college on the map, but the college we saw was somewhere down here. When you get into the closest city, it's not the major city, Augusta. There's a lot of police stations, hospitals, and such. But this place looks to be near a lot of good schools. A nice area. There's a gun club here. I don't know if that's good for rentals or not. But we can go check out the crime in the area. So this is the house right here. It's in a low crime zone, a very low crime zone. This is just an estimate. It can be wrong, so watch out for that. And we can see, like usual, the downtown area has more crime than out rural areas. So the crime looks pretty good. There's a little spots right here, but that's pretty far away. There's probably not going to be any crime nearby. We can go look at what Redfin has to say. So Redfin estimates the home price would be $1,700 to $2,000 a month. And we can go check out the street view here. And there's a random dude, but the houses look pretty nice on both sides. Looks to be a nice area. It's on a downward slope and slant. And what happened? Okay, but we can see, yeah, there's not that much backyard. It just goes up into this thing, but it's probably not owned by the house, but it's community. You can probably go on it. You can go see this side of it. These photos were taken in 2019, so there's 2 years old. The roof looks okay. The photos we saw earlier did not look like that. So this is older, or those photos were older. The road looks like it's in pretty good condition. Looks pretty new except for this blur area. That's just the truck that we're looking from. The neighboring houses are nice. They have nice cars. Looks to be nice cars. And now we can go check out what Zillow has to say about the house. Zillow's pictures, as we can see, that the roof is a little weird looking. It needs to be replaced. It has a nice brick front, and the house on the inside is really nice. My opinion, this green color, I don't really like that. I would rather have some brown or something. That's just my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but all in all, this house looks pretty nice on the inside from what I can see. Some of this looks like it could be from online, that they put these images in there. And the house looks pretty nice. These photos look a little photoshopped because of how bright it is inside. I know when we sold our house, that's what happened. They embellished the photos to make it look a lot better than it really was. Okay, the backyard is fairly large. Pretty nice. So Roofstock's estimate for this house is $315, which is what it's put at right now. We can go see what houses have sold nearby, and houses that are in green have sold. So these are all for sale nearby, and they're for same prices, or they're a bit more, a bit less. They're around the same price though, of $315, and they are all 5-bed, 6-bed, around the same. We can go check out what Zillow's estimate is per month. They think it's for the rent, it'll be $2,200 a month. They could go down to $2,000 or $2,300. We go back here with the current rent is the same as the estimate market. So Roofstock estimate is $2,400. It's currently unrented right now, as you can see. It's vacant. We can go look at realtor.com. I went here to see a little bit more about it, like the price per square foot, which is $103, and it's a 2-car garage, as you can see in the first photo. And the HOA fees here are $17 a month. That is different than here. It said there's no HOA, but Roofstock tends to leave out the HOA. But doing the math, that's around $200 a year for HOA fees. That's not that bad. It's a lot, but not bad. It's a third of an acre lot. And we can go check out the population. So the population is 12,000 people, and it's been growing by 100% each year. I don't know if it's just 2.2% or if it's 102%. But it looks to be 100%. So each year it's gone up by a lot, so it's going fast. We can go check out my slide. I made this slide. It shows everything about the house. It has everything that you need to know. The property type, single family, beds, baths, 3 to 5, garage. So take a look at this on your own. You can pause the video to see this, and I'll give you a couple seconds to do that. Go back to here. So my opinion on this house is I really like it. It looks nice. From the outside it looks nice. The price is good. For the financials, we can see that it does work as a rental. It has a 4.5 cash on cash and a okay appreciation of 5.2. So it works as a rental according to Roofstock. So yeah, I would get this house. I think it's a nice house. It's nice to live in if you're buying to live or buying to rent. Make sure you do your own research though, because I am not a real estate professional or a real estate advisor. Just make sure to keep that in mind. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to drop a like and a subscribe in the bottom. Liking helps me get my video out there. For the YouTube algorithm to actually put my video out, I need to get more likes. So please make sure to do that. Also, if you enjoyed it, have any questions about the house, please put that in the comments down below. I'll be answering all questions. And if you have a house that you'd like to see me do, I will do it.